60 seconds to explore the link between Bitcoin and the global economy. Bitcoin is more than just a digital asset on the internet. Its price shares an increasingly clear correlation with global economic dynamics. Understanding these connections helps us to more fully grasp Bitcoin's role and potential. First, interest rate policies have a direct impact on Bitcoin. When central banks lower interest rates or ease monetary policy, there is more money in the market, and people are more willing to invest in risk-on assets, which can lead to a rise in demand for Bitcoin. Conversely, when interest rates rise and capital tightens, investors tend to be more conservative, and Bitcoin's price may face downward pressure. Second, inflation is also a key factor. In some countries, when the local currency devalues and people worry about their declining purchasing power, Bitcoin is viewed as a hedge against inflation. Because Bitcoin has a fixed total supply, this scarcity leads some to consider it digital gold. Furthermore, global economic uncertainty also affects the demand for Bitcoin. For example, geopolitical risks, financial market volatility, or changes in fiat currency policies can all lead people to seek more sovereign and decentralized assets, thereby drawing more attention to Bitcoin. To sum up, Bitcoin is increasingly becoming a part of the global macroeconomy, influenced by a combination of policy, inflation, and market sentiment. If these topics interest you, a great place to start is by learning about Bitcoin. Choosing a compliant and secure platform is the first step toward understanding and participating. Explore more crypto knowledge with OSL CryptoBits. Ready to dive in? Register on OSL now and start your journey.